how to convert a photo to Ghibli style in Grok. So go ahead and open up your app. And then in the Ask Anything, you'll see a paperclip icon. Go ahead and click that, and that will give you the option to attach a photo to which you want to convert to. So I'm going to go and choose this photo. And what we can do is simply type in the prompt that we want it to do. So change photo into a Ghibli style picture. Go ahead and hit send. And within a couple seconds, it will give you two options based on that prompt, and then you can pick and choose which one that you like. Now, from this point forward, your photo might not exactly look the way you want it to look, so I want to change this background into the same style. So go ahead and type in another prompt, change background to outdoors with same style. And we can go ahead, send, and see what that gives us from that point forward. Takes a couple seconds. And there you go. There's two options here. They are both Ghibli style. It only took a quick minute, and now you have multiple photos that you can choose, and that's it.